core topic of our automated testing, writing Selenium test cases, writing Selenium test cases. Observe, Durga, you have a lot of experience now, nearly 15 years experience. Sanjay, you also having experience now?
Yes, sir.
How much?
7.
Approximate.
7, sir.
7 years. Okay. You both are having 7 and 15 years, more than 7 years experience. Okay. Say, which one is the most important? What about you, Lata? You are also having experience?
Yes, sir. 7 years, sir.
Good. What about you, Jadid? I think Jadid fresher.
Yes, I'm completely new, sir.
How much experience you have in this area testing?
Um, I'm completely new, sir. Sorry.
Okay, cool. Observe, all of you. Lata also experienced person. You tell me, Durga,
Yes, sir.
software testing, in software testing, for example, in manual testing, we have some important tasks are there. For example, understanding requirements. That is one task or activity, understanding requirement. Next, writing test cases. Okay, before that, some other tasks also there, deriving test scenarios, writing test cases. Okay, writing test cases. That is one task. Next, executing test cases. Next, uh, reporting defects. If you find any deviation from expected, then reporting defects. Next, tracking defects. Next, regression testing. Next, closing defects. Like several activities are there. Understanding requirements, writing cases, test cases, executing test cases, reporting defects, etc. In which one is the more important or mandatory task in every test environment? Tell me, Durga. Which one is more powerful task and mandatory task in any test environment?
Sanity testing.
Test environment, sir.
Writing test cases is more important
Yeah, obviously.
than other tasks.
Requirement gathering, sir.
Requirement gathering is not the activity of software testers. Who is telling that one? Who is telling that one first of all? Lata or Sandhya?
Yes, Sandhya, sir.
Sandhya, requirements gathering is not our activity.
Sometimes the testers involve
Testers involved for requirements gathering.
sometimes in the calls.
Yeah. You testers
sir,
involved
only
in
for-
requirements gathering?
No, sir. Only
No.
business will
That
decide.
is that is not the formal way of testing, Sandhya. Requirements gathering is one of the phase of development life cycle. See, in some companies you may follow informal processes. That is not the criteria. Okay. Durga told writing test cases is more important task in software testing. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Durga. Writing test cases in manual testing, writing test cases is more important task. Okay. What about test execution, Durga? Test case execution. Test execution.
Yeah.
Observe just a minute. Suppose if it is a formal testing, you may write test cases and execute. Suppose in informal testing, exploratory testing or ad hoc testing, no writing test cases, na.
Yes, sir. Directly we test
But execution is mandatory, na. with your experience, say using informal test design techniques like error guessing, exploratory testing, etc. But execution is mandatory in execution is mandatory in both the process, formal testing and informal testing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, execution is always important. Yeah.
Execution is always mandatory in any type of test environment. If it is if you follow formal testing or informal testing. But in automated testing, Sandhya, writing test case is more important. Why? Here, no informal testing concept, Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
Observe the prime difference between manual testing and automated testing. In manual testing, without writing test cases, also we can execute the application with our previous experience or error guessing techniques, using error guessing techniques. But here, no, without test scripts, Durga, is it possible to execute? Not possible, na?
Not possible, sir. Without that, we can't.
So here writing test cases is a mandatory task and important task and time-taking process in automated testing. Executing test cases, it is very simple in automation. Why? For that, user interaction. User means tester interaction is optional. Suppose if you create 20 test cases and create a test batch, if you select run command, then tool can execute your test cases one by one continuously. If it is manual testing, for each and every test case execution, human user interaction is mandatory. You need to launch the browser, enter username, enter password, click login button like. But in automated testing, writing test cases is more important task and it takes more time. Execution is very simple in automated testing, but in manual testing, writing test cases is time taking and execution also time taking. Okay, na? Jaded, raise query, Jaded.
I pretty much get it.
Prerequisites to write Selenium test cases. Selenium test cases. Observe Durga. Prerequisites to write Selenium test cases. One is manual test case. Generally, most of the time we automate manual test cases. Generally, we can't automate application directly from requirements. Say if it is sequential life cycle model like V model, we derive manual test cases. We derive manual test cases from requirements. Next, if it is agile model, we derive manual test cases using user stories. Is it okay, Durga?
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Manual test cases. Generally, 90% we automate our testing activities using manual test cases. Any objection, Sandhya?
No, sir.
We can't write automated test cases directly from requirements or directly from use cases. 90% first manual test cases, then automation. Next, web. These are prerequisites to write Selenium test cases. Web or HTML, element locators, JADED, element locators info required JADED. Why? To locate or identify or recognizing elements in web pages. Okay.
Yes.
Next, Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver API, application programming interface, commands, API commands or methods. Why I'm saying API commands, Durga, our Selenium WebDriver doesn't have UI. Na user interface. Suppose UFT has UI na. You can launch UFT tool, then it will open the editor na.
Yes, sir.
UFT, RFT, Silk Text, they have UI, user interface, and programming interface also. In that editor, suppose in UFT editor, you can write VB script code. But in our Selenium, only programming interface. So only programming commands. Here no menus, no menu items like recording checkpoints, etc. Okay. Selenium WebDriver API commands or methods, Lata. What is the role of Selenium WebDriver methods in our Selenium testing, Lata?
We don't have
Observe. Role of web element locators. Role of element locators, JADED. Role of element locators in Selenium testing. Locate or identify or recognize elements in web pages. Next, role of WebDriver methods or commands, Sandhya, to perform actions on the elements. Suppose Gmail link on Google homepage. If you want to click that one, identifying that link element using element locator. Next, click is action on the element. Suppose click is command or method name of WebDriver. Suppose if you want to enter a value into an 8 box, send the keys. That is Selenium WebDriver action. Now tell me, Lata, what is the role of Selenium WebDriver commands or methods in Selenium testing?
to perform action on
To perform actions on web
elements.
elements. Next, programming concepts. To enhance test cases. For example, can you tell me the role of programming in Selenium testing or automated testing, not only in Selenium, also in other tools? Durga, role of programming in automated testing, especially in functional automated testing. Suppose in performance test automation, in other automations, role of programming is very less. But in functional test automation, role of programming is high. Now tell me, what is the role of programming in, say, I explained it. Role of manual test cases. We automate manual test cases. This is source. Next, role of element locators for locating or recognizing or identifying elements in web pages. Role of WebDriver methods for performing actions on web elements. Next, role of programming concepts. Several times I told in this program. Role of programming concepts, Durga.
To enhance.
Yes, sir.
To enhance test cases when it comes to detail, several times I told. Observe. First thing, we use programming syntax for writing our Selenium test cases, isn't it? Any problem, Sandhya? We use programming syntax to write our Selenium test cases. For example, if you are writing manual test cases, you no need to follow any syntax. You write English steps, English language, launch, Chrome browser, full stop. Full stop is documentation standard, not syntax. Getting?
Correct, sir. Yes.
Enter username, comma is documentation standard, comma, enter password, full stop. That is English steps. But here we use syntax. Why? Our automation uses programming. For example, observe Jaded. If we use Java for Selenium, then we follow Java syntax rules for writing Selenium test cases. For example, every Java statement should end with semicolon. Suppose if we use Python for Selenium, then no such formality. No such formality. You write just plain statements. Plain statements. Suppose if we use Java for Selenium, we use this statement now. System dot set property statement. System. The system belongs to Java. For instantiating the browser driver executable file. If we use Python, we use import statement. Import something library. So first of all, we use programming syntax for writing Selenium test cases. See, Lata told enhancing test cases. Okay, that is high level term. Enhancing test cases. What are the enhancements? We use programming syntax for writing our test cases. Several activities I explained earlier, Jadid. How we handle data in our test cases. How we handle data in our test cases. Using programming data types and variables now. How we conduct code repetition, repetitive execution in our test cases, if required, using programming loop statements now.
Yes,
Suppose how we create reusable functions for our test cases. Using, suppose if we follow Java, using Java methods now, user defined methods. Suppose how we handle runtime errors in our test cases using
error handling.
exception handling code now.
Yes,
Suppose if it is UFT is commercial tool. Suppose in UFT tests, if you want to handle runtime errors, for that two possibilities are there. One is tool feature, another is programming feature. Tool feature is recovery scenarios. Tool feature, built-in feature is there. Using recovery scenarios, you can handle runtime errors, or you can use VB script programming features. But in our Selenium, no tool features. You need to use programming features. See, to handle data in our test cases, to create reusable functions in our test cases, for our test cases, to handle runtime errors in our test cases, etc. We use programming concepts. Okay, na? That is the role of programming in our automated testing, not only Selenium. Next, testing framework involvement. Testing framework. Lata, in a high level orientation, if we face any interview question, What is the role of testing framework like TestNG or JUnit in our Selenium testing? We use testing framework as test runner in our Selenium testing. Generally, we use main method for executing our Java programs. But if you integrate testing framework, no main method. TestNG itself test runner, so it can execute. Now tell me, Lata, what is the role of testing framework in Selenium testing? High level test runner.
Test run. Okay.
Test runner. When it comes to detailed explanation, what is the role of testing framework in Selenium testing?
Test and G. We use
Group
test
test cases, prioritize test cases, executing test batches, and important one,
reporting results.
generating test reports. Reporting is different. Generating test reports. Already I told, Selenium doesn't have built-in result report facility. Using TestNG, we can generate test results. Any confusion, Sandhya?
No, sir. I
Okay.
understood.
See, these are the prerequisites to write test cases. Now, Jadid, just headlines, Jadid. Tell me, Jadid, what are the prerequisites for writing Selenium test cases?
Yes, sir.
The
The
headlines.
prerequisites are manual test cases.
Good. Second one.
Second one is web or HTML element locators.
Mm-hmm.
Third one is Selenium WebDriver API commands or method.
Mm-hmm.
Programming concepts.
Yes, Java or Python based on
Yeah.
your selection.
Yes. And the
Next,
last one, testing framework.
testing framework. Okay.